You're looking at a 38-foot motorhome with level 3 autonomy, a 7.2 kilowatt solar array, and lime green paint so bright it's actually patented. And guess what? It still costs less than most luxury SUVs. Stay with me. This might just be the most important RV of the decade. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the machines that move both the body and the spirit. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that's turning heads and turning the tide in the world of Class A motorhomes, the 2026 Tiffin Allegro Bright Lime Edition. And if you think you know Tiffin, think again, because this one's engineered not just for comfort, but for disruption. Let's start where Tiffin never used to, the chassis. The new Allegro rides on a freshly updated Power Glide Series 3 platform, an in-house evolution that now features a semi-monocoque design for increased torsional rigidity, lighter weight, and improved ride quality. Paired with Freightliner's Smart Ride adaptive suspension, this coach doesn't just cruise, it glides, even at full load, and under the hood, or rather in the rear. You'll find something that redefines expectations, a Cummins L9 diesel, now made into a mild hybrid assist system. That's right, Tiffin's incorporated a 48-volt electric torque boost unit, improving low-end acceleration, reducing generator reliance, and enabling regenerative braking. Output? For 50 horsepower and a mighty 1,250 pound-feet of torque. More than enough to pull a full-size SUV behind you while climbing the Rockies without breaking a sweat or a decibel. But the Bright Lime Allegro isn't just about what's under the skin. Let's talk exterior. This isn't just a color, it's a signal. A vibrant high fluorescence, low-heat formula developed with BASF to remain vibrant under UV exposure for up to 10 years without fading. Tiffin didn't just give this coach personality, they gave it presence. And tucked subtly into that bold design, a fully integrated 7.2 kilowatt rooftop solar array, complete with an MPPT controller and a lithium iron phosphate battery bank capable of running all house systems, including AC, off-grid for up to 3 days. Step inside, and you're greeted not with extravagance, but with evolved luxury. Gone are the dated dark wood and gold trim, replaced by a Scandinavian-inspired layout featuring light oak finishes, recessed ambient lighting, and soft, tactile surfaces everywhere your hand might wander. Tiffin calls it the Elemental Collection, and it's more boutique hotel than traditional RV. At the heart of the coach is the new Smart Zone command system, a full vehicle management suite displayed on a 15-inch curved OLED screen, with voice activation, mobile app control, and AI-enhanced automation. Want to dim the lights, set the climate to 72, and cue up your favorite jazz playlist? Just ask. Prefer full blackout mode for sleeping? One word, hibernate. But this is a Tiffin, so practical luxury matters. The living room slides are now flush floor, creating an uninterrupted space when expanded. The kitchen features induction cooking, dual-drawer refrigerators, and an articulating pantry wall that conceals additional storage. And the bathroom? A full wet room design with a rainfall showerhead, radiant heated flooring, and antimicrobial surfaces that clean themselves with UV cycle after each use. The bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's a destination. Memory foam king bed with climate zone bedding, motorized blackout screens, and an optional stargazer skylight that auto-tints in response to daylight. And yes, there's a walk-in closet with a built-in laundry center that's whisper quiet and Wi-Fi enabled. Now let's talk autonomy. For the first time, the Allegro Bright Lime Edition comes equipped with DriveSense, a Level 3 autonomous driving suite co-developed with ZF and Mobileye. On approved highway corridors, the coach can self-navigate, adjust speed and lane position, and even handle stop-and-go traffic, while you enjoy your coffee from the plush, ventilated captain's chairs. It's the kind of tech we expected from EV startups, now perfected in a diesel pusher. But perhaps the most surprising part? Price. Starting just under $430,000, fully loaded at around $495,000, the Bright Lime Allegro undercuts comparable luxury coaches by 6 figures, while offering technology, comfort, and presence that rivals far more expensive rigs. The Bright Lime Allegro isn't just a bold new look. It's a redefinition of what a motorhome can be. Efficient, intelligent, and unapologetically modern, it signals Tiffin's commitment not just to tradition, but to transformation. This isn't your grandfather's RV, and that's a good thing. If you've ever dreamed a life on the road without compromise, without sacrificing design, power, or tech, this might be your moment. If you enjoyed this journey through the future of American motorhomes, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. Would you take the bright line across Route 66 or off-grid in the Pacific Northwest? And if you're passionate about vehicles that change the way we move, hit subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and keep the wheels turning.